Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever squinted at tiny text in Outlook or struggled to read your emails comfortably, today's video is for you. In just a couple of minutes, I'll show you exactly how to change your Outlook Zoom settings step by step so you can read your emails with ease, whether you're on a big monitor or a small laptop. Let's dive right in. First, open Outlook. You can do this by heading to the Microsoft Outlook website and signing in with your email credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Outlook homepage. Next, click on Mail. This takes you straight to your inbox. From here, open any email where you'd like to adjust the zoom level. Now, with your email open, look up at the top of the screen for the View tab. This is where all your display and layout settings are located. Go ahead and click on it. Inside the View tab, you'll find an option called Zoom. Click on the Zoom button and a small window will pop up. Here, you can either zoom in to make your text larger or zoom out if you prefer to fit more on the screen. Outlook gives you percentage options like 75%, 100%, 150%, and so on. Just choose the one that feels most comfortable for your eyes. If you ever want to go back to the original view, don't worry. Outlook makes it super simple. Just click the reset option and it'll instantly return to the default zoom setting. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Outlook zoom level. No extra software, no complex steps, just a cleaner, more comfortable way to read your emails. So that's how easy it is to adjust zoom settings in Outlook. Whether you're using it for work, school, or personal emails, having the right zoom level can make a huge difference. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss my next quick tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.